Hey guys, hi. I'm just sharing this video with you. So today we decided to go to Az-Zawayda from Khan Yunis. We're just gonna be using the our feet transport. We're just gonna try and feel what these people are going through on a daily basis. So as you can see, the amount of destruction is just unbelievable. So anyways, so this is gonna be our journey, which normally takes about 10-15 minutes by car. So we need to get to the bottom of the street along the way to Salahuddin, somewhere near Dir al-Balah, and then from Dir al-Balah we probably have to take another car to take us to Al-Zawayda, and from Al-Zawayda we have to walk to where we need to be. It's going to be interesting, very challenging. I'm estimating this journey to take about a good 2 hours, but we'll see how it goes. As I'm going through my journey to Al-Zawayda, I just thought let's stop here and just take a shot, just to show you the amount of destructions